What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Entertainment. So, just yesterday, Thabo Bester and Nandi Pamagudmana appeared in court, and I actually really felt for Nandipa because she just wasn't herself. It was so sad to watch. The reason why is because Nandipa she has lost weight. If you look and compare her past pictures when she was happy and smiling as a doctor, you compare with now, she just isn't herself. You can actually see that prison life is just not for her. But compare that with Thabo Bester, you could see that Thabo Bester seems to be growing even fatter. He was wearing, these shades. And Thabo Bester, he seems to be living his best life for some weird reasons. But for Nandipa, it was completely another story. And life truly comes, to people really, really quickly, And at that time, unfortunately, she thought that it was the best decision for her to go with Thabo Bester, And as they always say, you cannot advise a woman in love, nor a man with money. So, that sad moment of watching Nandipa, it left me, with so many questions like, why do good girls like bad boys? Why did she leave her family for adventures? So it just leaves, so many questions and a lot of confusion. But obviously, we can learn one thing from here, and it is that, you can never do experimentations with life, and experiment and think that, it is always going to be good all the time. So here, that's the lesson right there. There are always consequences for actions that are taken now. And so it's always best to take the right decision now so as not to face consequences in the future. I'll catch you guys on the next one.